Want to control exactly what enters your RSS feed? In this video, I'll show you how to organize sources, filter noise, and control what gets published. Let's start by opening RSS.app and creating a feed. Just paste a URL into the RSS generator and hit generate. If the site doesn't have an RSS feed, RSS.app builds one for you. Before saving, enable star on save. This pins the feed to your sidebar, your personal control center. From here, you can track new posts via the green dots or use the three-dot menu to jump straight into filters and widgets. You can also combine multiple feeds into bundles and add them to the sidebar. Expand a bundle to see the feeds inside. From here, you can drag feeds in or out of bundles or change their position in the sidebar. By default, new feeds appear at the top. You can change this in preferences to add them to the bottom instead. To reduce noise, let's set up global filters to work in the background. You can set them up to hide duplicates or filter by keywords. They'll be applied to every feed and bundle, so you're only working with relevant content. For total control, use collections. Create a new collection in the Collections tab. Then, manually paste URLs of specific articles. Or open Curate mode to quickly scan new posts in your feeds and add them to different collections using the plus icon. This is useful when you're curating content across multiple sources. If you're working with one source, you can also use moderation. All new posts will appear in a queue where you can review them before publishing. Click Publish, and only approved posts will be included in your feed. Every feed you create comes with its own XML URL. Whether you're using manual collections or automated filters, your output URL only contains the content that passes your setup. You can use it in automations, display it as a widget on your website, or send updates to Discord, Telegram, or Slack.
And that's it.
With these features, you can control exactly what ends up in your feed. Try it today at RSS.app.